Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 2, go inside the square root, and we have number 4. Because the square root of number 4 that is about number 2. So number 4 multiplied by this one, and we have like this. So this one that should be like this. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to arcsin of 2x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one that is about first the derivative of 2x. This is the reason why we have number 2. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. This one over this one we change for the u over number 2. So the integration of this one that is about e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.